Hi everybody. Let me get you, well, that should be good. I have the camera stand down low again to see if maybe that gives a better picture. I don't know. If I sell enough paintings, I promise I'll get like really cool track cameras and lighting so that you can like see down. I have my own crew. It'll be awesome. So head on over to Etsy, purchase 2, 3, 4 dozen paintings. We'll make this happen. All right. Welcome. For me, it is Tuesday. Yesterday was MLK Day. Today was a snow day for school, but I don't work for the schools anymore, so I was still at work. I'm working with Grumbacher Vermilion, Liquitex Basic Payne's Gray. This is my neon pink and maroon mix, and this is some kind of violet. I believe some kind of iridescent violet. So, yes, I am correct. So we had a snow day Friday, and it was supposed to be this bad ice storm. Nothing happened. And today, like I went to the dentist at 8 this morning, and when I left, my car was iced over and it was slick. But I went to work at noon and it was fine. And then it snowed, but not bad, so it was still fine. But, I mean, they call off school due to all of the complications that arise with all of the busing and transportation and stuff. So I understand for, you know, the safety. And before this job, I worked in special education, and transportation is hard enough without, you know, a snowstorm. So, but we didn't have very many kids in the infant room today at work. And one of the little babies didn't feel good, so I got to cuddle a little baby for a while because nobody else needed anything. And they're just so cute. Oh my gosh. I love these little babies. Alright. I am right now, okay, I got sidetracked. Picking pink goobers off the edge of this. This is my white paint, which is this. I hope you can see that. So it's just latex house paint, and I mix it with Floetrol and water. And I have paint mixing videos, so go check those out, please. And I was just answering a Facebook message, someone who was looking for what I pour in, and it is a washing machine pan, which a lot of you already know and a lot have purchased. You can purchase them through the Amazon link in the video description. I got mine at Menards. I don't know. I have not personally looked at Home Depot or Lowe's. But I would assume they'd carry them. I know they have it online there. I don't know if they do in person. But I have, well, right now I only have 4 of them. But I use them, I make my resin coffins. So I put my art in here, and then I put another one on top. And it keeps all the dirt and dust and all that stuff away. And then, well, I may as well show you since I'm talking about what I use. Most of you know this already. These bars, these are metal bars. They have the holes. You put them on the wall, and then you attach those long things, those shelf attachment things, and you rest like kind of like a piece of wood like this on it for a shelf. So that's what those are. A lot of people ask if it's PVC pipe. It is not. It is flat. But if you are looking for a super simple, very, very cheap thing, yardsticks. Hardware store has them for, I think they're usually like 99 cents. They are made, they're made of wood, so they're, well, this is so painted on, I can't clean it anymore anyways. But yardsticks work awesome. And they are cheap. These aren't that much money, but, you can't beat 99 cents. If you can get it for that. I was surprised the garbage collectors took it. I'm seeing how much is on here. I put one of these pans out by the curb because it had gotten so, it had become almost worthless to me because I had done so much paint and resin in it that, it probably weighed a good 15 pounds with all of the dried paint and stuff, and it had done its time. I used the torch to pop the air bubbles. This is MDF wood, medium density fiberboard is what it's called, that I'm pouring on. And the edges that he has cut this way, I don't like them. They're kind of just rough, cold edges. But as somebody suggested, I took more time sanding the edges today, so they're not as sharp. And I primed this with Kilz, K-I-L-Z. I'm going to do a mallet smash, I think I said that. Which, you do not need to use Kilz. You do not need to go buy Kilz. I just had a gallon that has been sitting around for years. And when I opened it, it was pretty gnarly. But I stirred it up. I put them into clean containers because I busted the lid trying to even get into it. And Kilz is just a stain and waterproof primer for like walls, basement walls and stuff. But on here, I could have used gesso, which I just found that I have an unopened container of, so I should be using gesso. Gesso is good if something's really smooth and you want to pour on it. It gives kind of a tooth. But I have also found that if something is really smooth, like a plasticky material, and you gesso it and you pour over it, the moisture of the pour will sometimes lift that gesso back up. If any of you have more information on that, you can share the science behind it. I'm guessing that the paint just re-wets it, and on a smooth, shiny, non-porous surface, it has nowhere to go but off. So sanding a smooth surface is very important. And I have sanded like finished wood when I paint, like when I did my parents' kitchen table. My dad sanded all of the finish off of it, so there was no shine left. I will ever be grateful to Christina Welsh, who, she has a YouTube page. She's a fluid painter, acrylic painter, who not only has amazing, beautiful videos, but a heart of gold. And she was the one that told me about Payne's Gray. So I owe her I owe her a lot because it's been the best color ever. Not as good as Prussian blue. Nothing tops Prussian blue. I'm not gonna hit it super hard. So you probably notice here I'm noticing when I mallet smash on a hard surface like this versus a canvas, it suctions to it, which has been causing issues for me. I'm not really sure. I guess just to be quicker, maybe. That went everywhere. Got a big problem here with like veins. That is totally down to the wood except for the little veiny parts. So what I'm going to do is move this a second so I can, oh my gosh, I have paint all over me. There, that just put paint back on the canvas or wood, whatever. I was messaging with somebody today. They were kind of interviewing me as an artist for commissions for their new house. And they would be like really large paintings. So that was exciting. He was initially saying like 30 by 40 inches or larger. So that would be way cool. And one of the immediately, because I sent him, you know, to Facebook and stuff, and the painting he immediately went for was an older one that a lot of you like too. It was a black background with neon yellow. It was black, white, gray, and neon yellow. And there was silicone, so there were big cells. That was a pretty cool one. So this, due to the way I smashed it, and then I kept, I've lost a lot of the brightness, but what I've lost in that, I'm getting shapes that I really like. The lines, the webbing. And I know it can be very tedious watching me do this super slow. I had one viewer comment on another person's, which was great. They're like, there is a little button on the bottom of the video. It says 1.5, so you can watch this video faster. You won't hear all the delicious tidbits of life that I will give you, but you will see it fast. I think I got paint in my teeth. It feels gritty. I really like this. I'm not sure about that. I don't know if I want to just get rid of that one entirely. But sometimes I read the comments and I'm like, well, were they listening to the video? But I was watching a video last night and I was watching it with the sound turned off because I was also watching TV and doing who knows how many other things. So, I mean, they could have been giving me prize-winning codes to stuff and I wouldn't have known. So I do have to keep that in mind that, you know, I do the exact thing that, you know. Gosh, okay, I'm gonna look at it this way. Wow, these look like really pretty flowers. And I usually don't want any kind of real. Okay. I actually love these lines right there. I can see the edge. You know, these would be good framed. I should come up with a framing concept for these. Or something cool to put around it. I don't know what that would be. Tiles? No. I was thinking mosaic around the edges, but no. All right, I just want to I want this to be more up here. I'm gonna see if I can get it to do that. Yay, I did. Good. And now I want that. There. I like it. I don't think I'm going to keep futzing. As I futz some more. Okay. Now I'm just smoothing, not really futzing. All right. I have my phone is plugged in, so I am attached to a cord. It's so pretty. Like just weeping flowers. I love it. Oh, sorry for the shaky angle, shaky camera-ing. So thank you very much for watching, and I will catch you all next time. Bye.